This is the Astor Aquba, and the Astor Aquba has been designed to fit beautifully under a windowsill or to have a nice compact offer to fit into smaller spaces. This has been designed for environments where you have both somebody using a wheelchair and somebody that's standing. We've got 2 presets, so we can actually set it to a height to suit. I've set this one. Press the number 2 and it will go down to our lower option, and then press the number 1 to go up to our higher option. And to actually set the height, you just literally press and hold the button. It's as simple as that. If you want to actually just manually adjust, you've got your up and your down buttons as well, so you're not restricted just to your 2 presets. If you actually want to lock out the feature, we know sometimes there's environments with perhaps children that like to play with buttons. You can press both buttons together and it will lock out, there you had that little beep, it will lock out the up and down feature. And apart from that, we've got just a single mixer tap. The whole basin has been designed for great accessibility. So again, we've got a little dipped away edge at the front, which allows people to easily have access into the basin. The basin's been designed to be just deep enough to allow you to put enough water to shave or to have a good wash, but not too deep that you can't actually reach into it. And the distance between the front and the back of the tap has been designed specifically alongside consultation with our occupational therapists to make sure we've got the spacing just right to give easy access to the tap. Again, there's been a little cutaway area at the back so people can put a soap or a toothbrush or something, which will again raise and lower along with the basin. In addition to that, we have the handrails. The handrails can be used as a towel rail, but they can also be used as a support rail. So these are available in different colour options, in a coral, a silver is shown, or a matte black. Very nice to give you that little bit of choice for your home. These rails are also great for giving you support, so if you wanted to pull yourself forward, they will be strong enough, their body supporting weight, so that they can actually be used to either pull you in if you're in a chair or to help you to side transfer if you're trying to have some assistance walking around the room. This is our Astor Aquba.